Well, check out this construction. Downtown Nixa business owners want people to know, despite all of this road work behind me, they still remain open.
Overall, the intersection is going to be 5-lane, real turn lanes. And it'll be a blessing when we get it done.
But until then, downtown Nixa is filled with construction vehicles, orange cones, and alternate route signs.
If you're coming from Ozark, you can't make a left-hand turn onto Main Street at all.
Causing a headache for the small business owners who like to make it as easy as possible for customers to stop by.
We just got over COVID, and this come up. I'm just trying to keep the door open right now as long as I can. I mean, like I told, if I let my employee go, I'm going to have trouble to hire somebody when this whole project's done. So I pretty much have to pay my own pocket money to keep the door open right now at this point.
The construction, they say, is causing sales to drop significantly.
I would say 90%. Because we are strictly walk-in.
None regular, they're afraid to come in. I mean, I have people call us, are we open? They call us to find out, how to get in.
Business parking spots are also being taken away to make room for the road improvements.
Before this whole process, we had, I think, 27 parking spaces, I believe. But now they took half of our property, so we left with 11 space.
Business owners say through it all, they need support. Now, this total construction project is expected to be completed by May of 2023. Reporting in Nixa, Ashley Eddy, Ozarks First.